Right, so I thought this would be quite fun. I mean, I don't know if people use this sort of, well, electric softboard, you know. Let's go closer. So it's a softboard, but it's electric, so maybe it makes you do the job a lot better. I have no clue. I thought these were pretty cool. These are sort of off-roading style type four-wheel seats. I mean, it's got lights for days, so I guess you know, you use it at night as well. Look at the tires, man. I'll just go in closer for you to see. And this is all electric as well. Pretty cool, huh? Well, this was what caught me attention. So I'm not sure. This is like I would say it's like a passenger sort of taxi. It's a CT1. So it's like a drone, or a blown out drone. You can see the propellers there. Wow. I mean, look at how long these things are. Well, that's it. So Abu Dhabi mobility. I mean, if this powers on and I'm here in the middle, that would be crazy. Well, yeah. So it's obviously it's unmanned. So it takes two passengers, I'm guessing. Those are the screens to tell you what's happening, and it takes you from point A to point B. We definitely can do with these in Lagos. What do you guys think? It's quite unusual. I see the brand Etisalat everywhere. So it's part of the Advanced Mobility Hub. So why don't we walk around and see what's there? Okay, so I guess this one here delivers food. Something behind me caught my eye. So yeah, you can see the huge batteries, because batteries are quite an important part of mobility. Oh, you can see the coils and everything. Plastic or maybe carbon fiber plates. So I guess this delivers food, maybe. You know, people who wanna. And I know this is already in operation. I mean, you can see what's happening globally, even in wars. It's all drones they use. Now this, whoever this is, caught my eyes. I have no clue what it is, but we'll come back to it in a minute. And then what else have we got here? Space Falcon. Well, that's what I saw right now. I know there was one that was similar to the Wakri, I believe it is, over there, that was used in Formula One, which is the fastest drone. It's got a similar kind of concept. That's this one here. So this literally takes up right in there and then pew. And this is meant to be pretty quick. Again, this is probably for footage, for fast footage, you know. This one, I don't know what this is for. This one is very interesting, and it's got a bad boy camera. So maybe like heat detection, probably used in the energy industry, I don't know. Very interesting, actually. This is plastic for sure. So what do you guys think? Interesting, yeah?